The Timpano TPT-3000 Compact Amplifier delivers serious full-range power in a surprisingly small chassis, making it easy to fit into tight car audio installs. Its Brazilian-style Class D design with a high-speed MOSFET power supply keeps efficiency high and heat under control even when you push your mids and highs hard. With a 1-ohm stable single channel rated for around 3,000 watts of continuous power, it has more than enough headroom for demanding loudspeakers, drivers, and tweeters. Built-in high-pass and low-pass filters that span from very low to very high frequencies let you dial in crossovers for different speaker types without needing an external processor. Heavy-duty power and speaker terminals give a secure connection for large-gauge wire, which helps maintain clean power delivery and reliable performance over time. A two-way protection circuit that monitors temperature and speaker faults adds welcome peace of mind, while the wide frequency response keeps the sound crisp and detailed across the spectrum.